1.
Hey, what number is that?
Hey, that's a grass.
5-1.
1.
Don't throw them down, be careful. Alright, put them down, open them closer to the table.
Brayden, look up, say money. Brayden. Brayden.
Say
money to mommy. Look
say
up and say money.
Moni, Moni.
Look at mommy. Look what mommy does. Look what I'm doing. Hey.
Hey, look up at mommy now, Mr.
I'm going to roll the table away unless you look at me.
Uh-oh.
Brayden.
Take his egg.
I'm taking your money.
Look, he's gonna get
what I
mama,
have.
look.
Oh, look what I have.
Hey,
Money.
here's your money.
Your mom has your money. Look at
Look.
mommy.
Mine.
Look up then. Then I'll get
Hey, hey, mommy took your money.
Cheese.
How many eggs you got?
One.
Huh?
Scare the dog?
1.
How many you got there, man?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
I was so mad at Brandy. I ordered some stuff for the tree. For you guys to hang from the tree. She never got it in.
Oh, really?
I said, what was the
Hey,
purpose?
Braden.
Hurrying up.
Braden.
Look at Johnny. Brayden, look at Johnny.
Hey, Braden. Say Happy Easter.
Tell everybody Happy Easter on his phone. Look.
Tell them what you got for Easter.
Look, Brayden.
Eggs of money.
1.
You need to go potty?
Yeah.
I think you need to go.
Alright, let's go potty real quick.
No.
You gonna potty your pants in the video camera?
I only did this one and this one and this one.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Let's go. We'll hold it. Everybody freeze.
Freeze.
Hey, let's go potty real quick.